Hi everyone! I'm so excited to show you today's Tetrad, specifically chosen for spring season. You know, flowers blooming, baby birds chirping, the smell of Mother Nature in the air. Okay, so in my last Tetrad video, I've had a few questions come through about what ink pad I was using, so here's a picture of it and I'll leave a link to the products below. There's actually a few issues with the ink and ink pad I'm using, so if you'd like me to do a separate video on that, I most definitely can. Just comment below to let me know. Okay, so the first color of this Tetrad is Schmincke Rutile Yellow made with PY53. It doesn't contain white, but it's a very soft, powdery yellow. If you don't have this color, you can easily substitute it with any pastel yellow, or mix your own with some white and a middle yellow. The second color is Horizon Blue by Holbein, made with PB15, PG7, and PW6. It's similar to a sky blue color, but leans a bit green. Or another way you can think of it is it's a bit bluer than cobalt teal. The third color is Lilac by Holbein again, made with PR122, PV23, and PW6. I've chosen this to represent the primary red in typical primary triads. Finally, we have Shinhan's Opera, made with BR1 and BV11. I love the soft pastel tones of the colors above, but I also wanted a splash of vibrancy. Sort of like when you're baking an apple pie, everything is so sweet, and then adding a small splash of lemon juice just brings it all together. As I'm prepping the color wheel here, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Taz for tagging me to show me what my winter Tetrad inspiration resulted in. Obviously, the colors aren't exactly the same, but it doesn't matter. I'm just happy to have been part of the journey. Taz is known as Ink and Starlight on Instagram and creates handmade blank notebooks, suitable for mixed media with original artwork on the cover. Currently only shipping to India, feel free to just DM them for more info. So if any one of you does end up painting with this Tetrad, please do tag me. I'd love to see your creation. For reference, I'm using the same triangular stamp I used in my winter Tetrad video, but here I've stamped it in a different orientation, creating a completely different looking color wheel. Personally, I think this pinwheel shaped color wheel is just perfect for spring. You could get a good range of colors from the Tetrad of pastel primary colors. Here, you can get a nice muted orange with rutile yellow and lilac. The blue and opera can give you various violet hues, perfect for botanicals and mythical pieces. The blue and yellow, when mixed together, could also give you a decent range of greens for foliage work. I apologize in advance if this doesn't scream spring season to you, but with me being in Thailand where it's essentially summer all year long, this palette of colors is exactly how I envision spring in my mind. Overall, I'm really happy with how this Tetrad turned out. What do you guys think? Does this also give you spring vibes? Or are there any colors you'd rather go for? Maybe I've completely missed the mark. I think the fluorescence in the opera really brings out the pizzazz, don't you? Don't forget to tag me if you paint with this palette. I'd love to see your creation. And that's it. Thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.